Now the next factor I will discuss, price of related goods. So related goods, they are of two types, that is substitute and complementary. I have already discussed with you. So first I will discuss price of related goods in case of substitute goods. So here I am taking the example of tea and coffee. So if the price of tea increases, demand of coffee also increases, because tea and coffee are substitute goods and there is a direct relationship between the substitute goods. I have already told you. And if the price of tea falls, demand of coffee also falls, because when the price of tea increases, consumer they shift to coffee and the demand of coffee rises, and when the price of tea falls, the demand of coffee reduces, because when the tea become cheap, then the consumer they will use more of tea. So this is the substitute goods, and in this we have two cases. Suppose here I am taking quantity demanded of coffee and price of coffee. So there is no change in price of coffee, means there is no change in commodity's own price, but then also there is rise in its demand from 5 to 6 units, because there is change in other factors. Other factors means there is a change in price of related goods. The price of a substitute goods increases, means the price of tea increases, that's why the price demand of coffee increases from 5 to 6 units. There is no change in commodity's own price. So in this case what happened, if you see, suppose the price is rupees 10. When the price is rupees 10, quantity demanded is 5 units, and at the same price demand increases from 5 to 6 units. So this is the DD is the first demand curve, and then when the demand increases, demand curve shifts from DD to D1, which is the new demand curve. So why this rightward shifting happen? Because there is a increase in demand of coffee. Increase in demand of coffee, why? Because there is a change in price of its related goods, which is tea. There is no change in the commodity's own price, but there is a change in other factor, means there is a change in price of related goods. Now the next case we will discuss. First case I have discussed, when there is a rise in price of tea, then the demand of coffee also increases and demand curve of coffee shifts to rightward. What happened when the price of tea falls? Then the demand of coffee also falls. So here price of coffee and then quantity of coffee, no change in commodity's own price, but then also demand falls from 6 to 5 units, because there is a fall in its there is fall in price of its substitute goods, which is tea. So here when the price is rupees 10, its quantity demanded is 6 units, and at the same price demand falls from 6 to 5 units. So this is the initial demand curve, DD is the initial demand curve, and the demand curve shifts leftward. There is a leftward shifting of demand curve from DD to D1, because there is a fall in demand of coffee due to change in its price of related goods, which is tea. Its commodity's own price is not changing here. There is a change in other factor, which is the price of related goods. So these are the two cases in case of substitute goods. I hope it is clear to you.